Hey guys, in today's review, I want to talk about this handheld pool vacuum that was sent to me to check out. It's super easy to put together. It's just a few pieces. You just pop the front on here. All it is just clips right in. And then the same thing with the pole, just clips right in. 3 pieces. Literally takes 1 minute to put together, if not less than that. Has some easy to use options right here. You can see charger station right here. Also the on and off button right there, easy to use. And it even has an indicator light right there. I'll show you that up close in a minute. Exactly how much is left in the charge, and then also if the filter needs to be changed as well. So really easy to use that. I like that it has this extendable pole. That way you're able to get into the pool a lot further, be able to get in there, reach everything you can get. I like having some of these because I use a lot of like robot pool vacuums and stuff like that, but it's nice to have some of these. You can just pop this on, grab a couple things that you need to get done, and you can roll on. So if there's some bigger items that you need to get out, you can do that super easy. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna check this out. I wanna show you guys what the pool looks like right now. It is pretty gross. Again, we've had a lot of leaves falling, just some other stuff, that's in there. And so what we're gonna do is see how well this can actually get it all out. So let's do it. All right, so here's a close-up. All you're gonna have to do is press the button right here and it will immediately turn on. And once you place it in the water, you will start seeing water kind of being like moved all around it, and you'll see like water kind of going around, which is nice. That means that water is actually going through there and it's actually doing its job. But I really like this because you can extend it. You can see right here, my pool is about 15 feet and this is able to reach all the way past the middle, which is really nice. The other ones I've tried like this aren't able to reach all the way, so this is really cool because you can reach all the way and snag these pieces. And it's also doing a really good job so far. You can see it getting a lot of the leaves and other items like that. We're going to check later on once we open it up and see how well it did getting the smaller items, but I think grabbing these leaves, it really has done a great job just from watching it right here. Another feature that I really do like on this is it has a large wide head, so it's going to be able to grab a lot of items that you can see it doing here in the pool. Some of the other ones I've used, the head on it is a little bit smaller, so it's not able to grab as much. You're having to use a lot more, just motion trying to get to every spot. But with this one, it's nice that you can see right here, it's actually grabbing a lot of these leaves, and it does a large swath and a large path, which is really convenient. And it also is able to take that top off, so you can actually take that off, and if you want to use it around the different stairs, you can do that. In here, you can see what it shows you, the battery life. Had the green light right there ready to run and doing well. It also has a couple different indicators on that too. It is nice because it will run up to an hour, which is really a lot of battery life. You're going to use that if you're going to need it for the larger pool. And you can charge it in about an hour and a half, which is really nice as well. So if you find it's dead, you can always just go plug it up, and then after a few minutes you're able to charge it and run it for a little while. I'd really like these handheld ones because, again, if you just have a few things you need to get out, if you got friends coming over or any kind of thing like that, you can just pop this out and vacuum them up, and it's super convenient that way. If you have the robot ones, it does take a little bit longer to get all the stuff, but I will say the robot ones are a lot easier and nicer. You don't have to do near as much work. You just let it run and it will do it all. But you can see right here, after a few runs, it is getting a lot of this dirt and also leaves and other stuff like that that are in the pool. And again, you can see the lights right there, and just wanted to show you how it looks when it's actually running along the pool bottom here. One small issue I do run into sometimes with these is my pool bottom is not always perfectly flat. So sometimes that is a problem trying to get stuff out, but that's pretty much a problem with whatever you use. So you just kind of have to keep an eye on that as you're vacuuming. All right, guys, so we've been vacuuming here for a few minutes. What I want us to do is pull this up and check it out and see what it grabs. So when you pull this thing up, you're gonna see water coming out the sides. Hopefully you can see that right there. You can turn that off, and then the water will just drain out. You can slide it out. It's probably a good idea to take it out like this, so that way like the stuff that hasn't gotten all the way up in there will just stay in and not fall back out in the pool. So we got it right here. We're gonna open it up and see what we got. All right, guys, so we ran this for just a few minutes in the pool, and I wanted to see how well it did. As you can see in there, it cleaned out a lot of stuff in those few minutes. I love it because you're able to get into certain places, but I want to go ahead and open this up. You're gonna pull this off here, open that up, pop this off. Oh. that one off. And it just falls right out. And here is just the stuff we picked up in a couple minutes. That is good. It also got a lot of that little slime stuff. That was something I was worried about. Was it going to be able to get that? You can see it got a lot of that little slime. That's a great thing to know because there's all kind of like dirt and grime, and we have a lot of pollen still and all kind of stuff like that. I'm always worried, is it going to get it? And so this was able to grab all of that pollen, which is really nice. And then you see right here, it has the little flap. So that's what it does. It pulls, you know, through there and make sure everything gets nice and clean. So all you're gonna do is grab now your hose. Gotta make sure it's on. Now that you got your hose, just hose this thing down and clean it out. It's really easy to do that. Get that out. While you're there, just do this, and also the bottom. And there you go, really easy. I mean, that takes like a minute to clean that out, super easy. And you don't have to do this every time. You're gonna wanna make sure just to keep an eye on the filter right here, and once this gets full is when you're gonna need to dump it and make sure that everything is nice and clean. So you're just gonna have to keep an eye on this and make sure that everything is prepped and ready on that. But overall, I think this is a great option. It works really well in my pool. I like the extendable pole. I think it definitely has a lot of cool features on it. You know, it works really well. It's super easy. You can charge this thing up and then you're ready to roll. Comes with a couple extra bags as well, so that's a great added bonus. And it's really easy to clean. And as you see, I mean, this was probably about 10 minutes of work, if that, maybe 5 minutes of work. Did a really good job right there, getting a lot of leaves and even the small stuff, which is a big deal. If you've had a pool, it's a big deal being able to get some of the small stuff. I think some of the earlier pool vacuums that I had weren't able to get all those, and so it's nice to be able to get these and get everything nice and clean in there. So I think it's a great option. If you're in the market for some type of handheld pool vacuum, this is definitely one I recommend. Works really well, pretty strong, and does a great job. So highly recommend you check it out. If you're interested, I will have a link down below. You can check it out down there, and I'll see you in the next video.